second one. So
Myntri ke Tnad Pule Putih urakam Sangma hanya kesengi ula pentep baga State Higher Educational Council kan sakhot Iaka Jingialang bat Vice Chancellor kan nehu bat kiwai ki he jong ki jaka Pule halor ka mat ban lap ya ka lat ban Weng ya ka Jingiapher Jingmut halor ka jingpentrai kam ya ka National Education Policy lani NEP arjar arpo ha ka jela aba pentep ya ka ne ka State Higher Educational Council kan sa aya kendo ha ka shipo lani ka waitrik unailor Myntri ke Tnad Pule Putih ula ong ba un sakerpat ya ke Meghalaya College Teachers Association lani MCTA ban Pynlong ya ke Jingialang bat ki khlie jong ki jaka Pule ba per ha ke jela banyatai ya ke jing e be dei ba ke jing pentrai kam ya ke NEP arjar arpo.
We have a state higher education council is there, so which we have not said before. So that will be the first meeting of the council. So where Nehu will also be there and the head of institutions will be also be there. So we will also deliberate and we will listen to them, because to be frank, as a state government, we have asked the written reply information from the head of institutions across the state whether they are ready for NEP or not. Then most of the head of institutions principal, they said we are not ready.
Deputy Commissioner